sitting with the chef right here in the kitchen at Bryan's Landing. That is Chef Tom McNerney, and he's going to let you know what we're making today. Chef?
So today we're making something off the new menu, which is going to be our Filet Marsala, which is an 8-ounce butterfly beef tenderloin filet with mashed potatoes and marsala wine sauce.
We're excited about this. My dad loves chicken marsala. Never had filet marsala, so something new to the menu. And for those of you that have been out to Bryan's Landing, make sure you come in here. There's an all-new menu to bring you through this winter season, and from now through April, a lot of new things on the menu. So come in and try them if you are someone that's been a patron here at Bryan's Landing, or if you've never been here. A lot of great stuff on the menu. A lot of things that I'm hoping that Chef puts on our list, like that lobster mac and cheese. So definitely look, or not mac and cheese, the lobster grilled cheese that you guys got going on. So lobster grilled cheese. Do you have a favorite right now besides the filet that we're making today? Is there anything that kind of sticks out to you on the new menu?
I think the filet is probably my favorite.
That's the one, right?
The coconut shrimp cocktail with curry as like an appetizer, definitely a good one.
Coconut shrimp cocktail, lobster grilled cheese, filet marsala, a lot of great things going on in the kitchen here at Bryan's Landing, and we're about to show you what it's like to go behind the scenes for filet marsala today as Chef takes us through all the ingredients and bringing it together.
All right, so we get the pan nice and hot, touch of oil, get our filet. Season with a little salt and pepper. Make sure the pan's nice and hot. There we go. Alright, once it's got a nice sear, we can flip it. Let that go for another minute or two.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Well, the steaks are about medium rare right now. I'm going to set it to the side, let it rest. Then start building our sauce. A little bit of garlic, mushrooms. And we'll cook that down for a little bit. Great. From here, add a little bit of marsala wine. Once all the alcohol is cooked down, add a couple cubes of butter. We'll add a few green onions and a little salt and pepper. And we'll kind of let that butter incorporate in the sauce so it'll thicken. Then we'll pretty much be good. Alright, so the butter's all melted. The sauce looks nice and thick. So we'll plate it now. So if you come over here, on the plate, a little mashed potatoes. Our steak on top. And sauce.
I wish you all could smell this through the camera right now.
A little bit of Parmesan cheese. And that's it.
That is the filet marsala right here at Bryan's Landing, and we're about to get to the best part. So the man that makes it gets to try it first. So Chef here at Bryan's Landing, their head chef, Tom McNerney, is going to be trying the filet marsala right now, and he's going to let us know what he thinks about his creation, and then I'll dig into it myself. Go ahead, Tom.
Perfect. The super rich sauce, the steak, cooked nicely. It's a winner.
Bryan's Landing, here we go, bottoms up. Gotta make sure I get a good amount of this sauce in. Know if I lick my finger, it's good. Gotta get another piece of this. There's a sweetness to this Marsala, not everybody can pull that off. Absolutely incredible. Marsala fans, you will not be disappointed. And for somebody like me that's like a little hint of that sweetness, I'm going to give it up to the Filet Marsala here. I'm going to let you take a look at it. We got some work to do in the kitchen, but a great job by Chef Tom McNerney and Brian's Landing once again. Find your way out here. Can't wait to see you. Remember, brunch on Sundays. Tom, as always, thank you, sir.
Thank you.